Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your automatic buckle belt. This is a nice function because you can adjust it like you need it because of your belly, for example. You gain some thighs, no problem for the belt. You lost or lose some thighs, no problem for the belt. It's so much better than a standard belt can do this. It's like a ratchet function, okay? So let's perform. Here it is around my hips. Here is a lever there. This lever I have to push forward, okay? Then I unlock the system. So I keep pushing and pull out the belt. Here we are. And so it looks from the other side. You can see I can penetrate it inside there, get it in position as I like, and if I like to remove it, I pull the trigger over here and can extract it. To remove this automatic buckle, I have to use this kind of lever here. Go up and remove the belt. So I can change the belt easily, okay, with this buckle. This is really cool because you will need only one buckle for a lot of belts, and you can make an extra style as you like. And here are some teeth. These teeth are getting the belt or hold the belt in position if you need it. So, okay, we go it up, enter the belt until it is already in position. Then we go and lock this. And you can see now it's in lock position. Go, job's done. Now we can enter the belt into the system. Here we are. You can see that here. And push it to this line and keep pushing until you have the right size of your belt reached. That's really cool. To remove it, you pull the lever if you look from the front side, or you push the lever if you look from your belly, and then you can open this system again. Okay, perform this again. We penetrate, we get in position, job's done. We remove it easily, extract it, job's done. Really cool system, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.